Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare my singing monsters Composer and Plants versus Zombies. We will explore two distinct gaming experiences, one focused on creative music composition and the other on strategic tower defense. Our goal is to understand their core mechanics and determine which offers a more engaging or effective tutorial for its unique gameplay style. My Singing Monsters Composer allows players to craft their own musical masterpieces. You can choose from over 100 unique monster sounds and instruments, arranging them on a grid to form melodies and rhythms. This platform is excellent for learning basic music theory, encouraging experimentation with tempo, pitch, and harmony in a fun, accessible way. It offers a hands-on tutorial for aspiring composers. Plants vs. Zombies challenges players with strategic tower defense gameplay. You must protect your home from waves of comical zombies by strategically planting various defensive plants. Each plant has unique abilities, and managing your sun resources is crucial for success. The game's early levels serve as an intuitive tutorial, gradually introducing new plants and zombie types, teaching adaptive strategy and resource management. Deciding which is better truly depends on your learning objectives. My Singing Monsters Composer excels at fostering musical creativity and understanding basic composition principles. Plants vs. Zombies, conversely, is superior for developing strategic thinking, resource management, and quick decision-making skills. Both games provide highly engaging and effective introductory experiences within their respective genres, catering to different interests and learning styles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.